Now I know these are a challenge, but I also know that you guys can do hard things, just like me. We can do hard things if we put our minds to it and have a positive attitude. Also, confidence is about trying. So I'm very proud of you guys for watching this video. And you guys, I know, are working on IXL. This would be a great lesson to practice. Find the missing side, find the missing length, okay? And they gave us the width. The width is 10 inches. So what about this side? 10 inches, good. Okay, and the perimeter is 36. Okay, so that's the overall. So we do not want to include these two sides, right? We're only looking for one side. So if we don't want to include these two sides, we're going to subtract them from the perimeter, okay? So 36 minus 20 equals what? 16, correct? So what that is saying, that these two sides equal 16, but I only want one side, correct? So what am I going to do with that 16 so I can find out only one side, because it's divide by 2, correct? So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So let's see if we are correct. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 10 is 26, plus another 10 is 36. Is that what the perimeter is? Yes. So the missing side is 8. Let's try another one. All right, our last problem for the night is find the length. This side is 10, so this side has to be 10. Okay, I know I do not want to include these sides because I'm only looking for one side. So if I don't want to include them, I'm going to subtract it, right? So 10 plus 10 is 20, so 48 minus 20, or you can say 48 minus 10 minus 10, what would that be? 28, correct? So 28 centimeters. Okay, what that is saying is that this side and this side equal to 28 centimeters. But I only want one side, so that's when you would have to cut it in half or divide by 2. So 28 divided by 2, that would be 14 centimeters. Now, I always like to check my answers before I submit anything to see if I'm correct. I know the perimeter is 48, so when I add up all these sides, it has to equal 48. So math is very similar to working out. You have to practice every day to get stronger. You have to have a positive mindset. You have to have an I can attitude. And you have to want to better yourself. I want everyone to know there are no silly questions in my class. Your question might be someone else's question, so please ask questions. I'm very proud of my students. I'm just lucky to have every one of you guys. You guys work so hard, and I'm proud to be your teacher. Thank you so much.